Next, let's take a look at lost assignments. It may come to your attention that a student has missed a whole class assignment and they've missed the deadline. So let's take a look at how we can easily reset an assignment, but just assign it to one individual student. So if I come over to the assignments tab within class teams, I can see the assignments that I've already set, but in this case, I do need to create a new assignment. So I'm going to come down to the bottom left and click create. This gives me three options. So I can create a fresh assignment, a fresh quiz, but if I've already done the assignment before, I can go to from existing. Now it will bring up all the classes that I teach, and I can search them at the top if I wish, but I know that it is my Year 10 class. Select the class and click Next. This should populate all of the assignments that we saw on the previous screen, and I can see that it was this one here. So I select my assignment and then click Next. So again, about saving teacher time, everything is set just as it was before. I have my title, my instructions, I've got my relevant resources attached here. Of course, you can edit this if you need to put any additional guidance on. The point system has been saved. I'm using a rubric here. This has all been saved. So the only bits I need to change are who I'm assigning it to. So if I was to assign this again, it would go to the whole class. So I'm just going to go to where it says all students. And I can select groups if I split my class into groups, or in this case, I just need to select a few individuals. This will present you with the entire class list, and I can select them from here, or I can search for a student at the top. Just click select. Just cancel my search so I can see who's selected. Get little brackets here to show how many students have been selected in the list, and then I can click done. Next thing, I need to consider my new due date. So maybe I'm going to give these students 1 week to catch up. Happy with the time. And then I just come up to the top right and click assign. Now only those two students will have been notified about this assignment, but I can see that it's at the bottom here. And there's only 2 students within the list that need to return it.